Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. Today we will review another online store, that is Lotava.co. We will check out in our today's video about this e-commerce store, its product, and by then we will decide either it's legit or a scam store. So let's begin with our video. Lotava.co is an online store that is dealing with different products, especially dealing with accessories, men and women clothing. If we check their website, they have mentioned their official address, they have mentioned their contact details, email address, that is matching with domain name, that is an plus point. But when we check the date of registration of domain name, that is 12th April 2021, it is just few months back, and it is just registered for 1 year. That is the negative point. Moreover, when we check out for the customer reviews, we are unable to find customer review. When we check the social media handles of this store, we are unable to find, because they have not attached any social media account with this official website. But we have found an Facebook page with this name, and where we found just negative reviews, and the people are saying it is just a scam or fraudulent people. So now we will check out what are the advantages of buying from this website, that is Lotava.co. This is actually a brand that is delivering to all parts of the world. They are offering you discount on every product. They have collection includes several different products. They have products for everyone. This is a brand under a known parent company in Singapore. Moreover, all the contact details are mentioned on the website, and the price of mail server is a good sign. Moreover, when we check out the disadvantages of buying from Lotava, the website does not have any review on the internet or the website. Moreover, this website was recently launched and has been not exposed to people yet. Side by side, its trust index and the other score are also too less for customer to trust this website, and the content of the website is not fully satisfactory for the customers. No specific product line, and they offer 1 to 2 products from different products line. So the question still we have in mind, that is it a legit website? When we check out the domain date, it was created on 12th April and it will expire on 12th April 2022, and its trust score is just 1%, which is not a good sign. Moreover, the index rank of Lotava.co is bad, and it comes 3.9 out of 100. Moreover, the content published on the website is not too specific, and there is no social media presence available attached with this website, official website. So when we check the reviews of the customer, we could not get any customer reviews on the website or the internet, else a Facebook page was found, and here we got negative reviews of the customer. They are saying it's fraudulent and fake store. So as we discussed that it is Singapore based website, but still when we are unable to find the reviews or social media presence of this website, as maybe it is new, that's why. But we will just suggest you that it's better to stay away from this website, so you may not get scam and you may not lose your money.